making a video of Flyday. Here's my Bugs 3 or Force 1, whatever, with the light blue top and the red props for orientation. Awesome. There's our setup under the tent. Steve number 1 doing some work on Brandon's quad. Hi, Steve.
Hi. I'm doing some repairs.
Battery chargers, remotes, laptop, awesome cases, schizo, fly egg, that's a Martian. Got a lot of fun stuff out here today. Flying with Steve number 1, Steve number 2 way out there, and Brandon just past me. We got our markers and flags flying in the breeze, and it's a beautiful, beautiful day, and we're having a great time. Both these guys are out here flying FPV, probably doing acro, having a great time out there. So I'm going to do a little more flying, but I wanted to do a short video, capture what's going on out here today on Sunday. Okay guys, bye.